Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun coastal Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to start with one of these tinsel hearts from the Dollar Tree. I love the cages underneath these, not necessarily the tinsel. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove all the tinsel from this, and it gives me a great cage to be able to make a beautiful heart wreath. To cover it, I want to do a braided rope. And for the rope, I'm using the nautical white rope from the Dollar Tree. I chose 3 strands of it. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape that is on the ends of them and glue this together so I can get started. What I want to do is cover the entire thing in braided rope. I think it's going to be so pretty. To reinforce the end, I just kind of squished it together, and I'm going to have it start here at the very top middle part of the heart. I do go ahead and reinstall a hanger on that just using some twine, and I start here attaching it with hot glue. This is going to cover the outer part of the heart, and what I'm going to do is braid as I go. Now, it does kind of get tangled together when you're braiding, so you do have to kind of braid a section, smooth everything out, untangle everything, and keep going. And I'm just going to go around one section at a time, braiding it, untangle, and then using hot glue to attach it to the outside of the frame. I wanted to cover that outside piece of plastic and any of those plastic tabs that are hanging off the sides. It all provides a great place for me to hot glue this on. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the middle sections to where the entire thing is covered in braided rope. And I love the look of the braided rope. I think it's so fun. When I get back up to the top here, I figure out how long I need it to be, glue those together first before I cut them down so it will stay braided, and then hot glue that. And I'm going to be wrapping that part of the heart so you won't be able to see where I start and stop on the rope. I open up 3 more packages of the Dollar Tree rope and start again. This one's going to take a lot less, and then I can use the remaining for the middle section. So this one, what I want to do is the inside heart. So again, I hot glue the 3 together and then hot glue that to the middle section of the heart and then braid and glue down, just like before. This took definitely way less rope. I guess you could braid it completely before you start. It was just easier for me to kind of braid as I go. And then I come around here and stop like I did before. I just have to see how much I need here, braid it all the way up to the end, and I hot glue that down. Now this is that same 3 ropes that I was using for the inside, and I glued them together to start the middle section. And this should be plenty to cover the entire thing. It's a little bit moldable, so you can kind of move them around a little bit and hot glue them to each other where you won't be able to see any gaps or anything like that. So this fills it in really nicely. And so 3 different rows of braids to cover the entire heart. Right here at the end, I figure out exactly how much I need and cut this off and kind of squish this one right in there, the remaining space. That looks really good so far. I used my hot glue gun to melt any glue strings that might be on there. And then I just went around and kind of hot glued the braids to each other anywhere where I thought there might be a little bit of a gap. Now to cover where I started and stopped here, I'm going to do 3 ropes, and it kind of goes with the vibe of it. It looks good here. I just hot glue all 3 to the back like this, and then I'm going to wrap them around. I do 1 through the hanger, so that one will be centered, hot gluing that down, and I do the other individually too, 1 on the side and 1 on the right. I love how this turned out. It has such a fun coastal feel, but it doesn't necessarily have to be coastal with the rope, but I'm going to add a few touches to mine to make it even more coastal. Isn't it so cute so far? I love it. I decided to do starfish. These are the starfish from Dollar Tree. I was trying to decide if I wanted them just on one side or all over. I kind of like the look of just one side. So these are really easy to paint. They're made out of like a molded white plastic. And so you can kind of paint them whatever color you want. I wanted them to stand out against the white rope, so I painted mine this light cloudless by Apple Barrel, a very soft beachy blue. And we're going to have those kind of tumbling down the side of the heart over here. This is a really nice size heart wreath, perfect for your front door, but it would make a really fun wall hanging as well. And anytime I can craft with the Dollar Tree rope and those starfish, I always love it. It looks so coastal and fun. If you like more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!